Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make this collision for our dot plane. So what I want to do is first we're gonna go to my blocks and we're going to make a function of collision, and I'll write down collision, right? And here we have our defined collision. I'll put this defined collision aside and I'll grab this collision from the my blocks file and I'll put this one collision after the jump function, and I'll put this collision one inside the forever loop, and here I'll put this define collision aside from it, and I'll drag this define collision after define jump, and let me just scroll it down. And here, what do we want to do for our define collision? First thing first, we need to go to control one, grab the if then block, and next thing what we need to go to sensing, grab if touching lava. Then we need to go to the looks and grab switch costume to hot. And next we need to go to control and grab and wait 1 second. Instead of wait 1 second, we're going to reduce this wait time to 0.5 seconds and we'll put it inside the if touching lava then after switch costume to hot. And next we need to go to looks, grab the high block and we put it after wait 0.5 seconds. And next we need to go to Next, let's duplicate this wait 0.5 seconds and I'll throw away this high block. And instead of wait 0.5 seconds, I'll write down wait 2 seconds and I'll put it after hide. And next we need to go to the motion and grab the spawn point, which is go to x -23, y -107. We'll put it after wait 2 seconds. And next we need to go to the looks, grab the shell block, and next we need to duplicate the switch costume to hot and throw away these remaining blocks. And in place of switch costume to hot, we'll just click switch costume to dot and we'll put it after the show block. And here we have our defined collision. Now let's test our player if our player gets burnt from the lava. And then we click on the green flag and let's test it out if our player switches his costume to hot when it gets burned. Our costume hot has been now replaced by dot, and there we have it. Our collision one for our dot is working fantastically. Thanks for watching.